What's going on, guys? I am Watch Chair Go, and today I'm going to show you something that's never been seen on the vlog before. We're going to take the Grom, and we're going to take what's in this backpack and go do a little project. So I said what we're going to see has never been seen on the vlog before, but in reality, I haven't even seen it in 2 years. It is something I own, but I have not seen him forever. Oh, there goes Justin, rolling in the pimped out Escalade right there. That Escalade's nasty. It's fireworks time. As you saw from yesterday's episode, we went fireworks shopping, had some fun. Took the Huracan and the Truckercon and tore it up. Thank you, truck, for moving, homie. Can't beat that. Plus, everybody's turning right. This is a win-win. This backpack weighs so much because it has a battery of some sort in it, and yeah, I'm just trying to carry that on the Grom, but it weighs a lot to have in a backpack. Oh, get it, Mazda 3. They were ready for the light. I love it when people are ready for the light. The Grom feels slower with what's on my back. Almost wide open, and we're not making a lot of progress. In a car, this would be so easy. I got nothing on the Grom. Still full tilt. It won't go anymore. He's pulled over all over. No traffic in sight. I'd call that a win-win. Saturday, dudes. Saturdays are for the boys. You should go home. Can't be building roads. Here she is. It has been so long since I've seen this car, and it's looking real rough. Fully wrapped in Avery SW900 Pearl White. It's got my Toyo R1Rs on it. Flying Miata built. Crazy thick tire setup. Awesome. Sheath yuck. Got a new battery for her, expired tags. It's been gone forever because it had a cooling issue, and I was like, hey, I'll just pay my brother to fix it. Well, I should have paid somebody else because it took years instead of like the one day it should have taken. All right, let's get to replacing this battery. It has been a long while. Found a hoodie. I love that hoodie. Oh, and a shirt. And of course, what's in the backpack is a new battery for the Miata. This is the awesome AGM race battery from Goodwin Racing. I don't know if you guys can see that, but you just throw a 10mm on this battery, pull the terminals off, it's no big deal. Banging onto the fender a bunch, because that is super recessed. All right. Switch one more time. Pull off the retainer, and we can change it out. Little Westco AGM, and let's find a screwdriver and get this new battery set up. Not really sure how it opens, but I'm gonna guess like that. Delivery confirmation. Oops. Super dropped that bad boy. It was an accident. This has a real date sticker. This one says B6, and that's what they wanted for the date sticker. And this one says 518. This one makes sense. How does that make any sense? So now we're halfway done with this job, and it's hot outside. It's 93 degrees according to the Apple Watch there. Here she goes. Let's see. It's got to go in this orientation. You'll want the terminals facing towards the front of the car, and the battery is mounted again. Just needs tightened down. Put that vent hose on there. Tighten this down, and we will hook up the terminals, and she is good to go. And we'll set the ratchet back up the other direction. I'm just tightening it down. You guys know what tightening looks like. Righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. A positive battery terminal on there now. Okay, Project Miata battery change appears to be complete. Let's put this Fox hoodie back. That's awesome, and I haven't seen in years and didn't know where it went. Close this here trunk. Trip over a battery. No big deal. Find some keys, and let's see if the race car starts. It's so unbelievably loud. Starts right up. Saw his power steering. It has not been converted to a manual rack. I don't know why the air conditioning's on. There's really no point in that bad boy. But hey, got some alien glasses, Richard Rawlings style. Maybe you'll remember that episode. Everything's falling apart, and it's got a system. Hey, secret system. All right, I'm gonna. I guess I'll put the top down and go drive this thing. Can't believe all the lights even work. It's so crazy. All right, we'll put a seatbelt on. I do miss this thing. It's time to get it cleaned up, vacuum it out, wipe down the interior. I know race cars shouldn't have interiors, but it's still a fun car the way it is. It's so slow, it's so loud. Wow. Probably could warm up for a little bit. Also, it's probably time to check the oil. A couple different things that need done. Good old Miata. So much fun. What's going on? See you guys in the mirror. I don't usually have mirrors when I've got a helmet on. She's got Hawk HPS pads. Let's see if I can make a full pull here. It's not fast, but it's sure fun. Probably makes as much horsepower as the Grom. We pulled up and you know I said it smelled like gas, and this is all gas all through there. And what's going on is you can see how clean that is because the fuel rail is leaking like a sieve. It is literally just spraying fuel out of the top of the injectors. So something is seriously wrong here. I don't know if it just needs reseated or what's going on. We might be able to fix it real quick, so I'm gonna try. That emission was a failure. You can see the gas leak. It was crazy. Zach and I are now in his car heading back to get the Grom, and there's a huge storm coming as well, so we had to leave the car at his house, push it back in the garage, and run back to get the bike before the storm hits because everything we have is not ready for a storm today, or everything that I brought out is not ready for a storm. Zach's eating Cheez-Its. All right, today began on the Grom, and today ends on the Grom. Because there's a giant storm coming and I had to come get this, and the whole Miata situation is just, it's a failure. 100% a failure. So, we'll just go have fun instead. It's definitely raining and it's gonna hurt in a minute. This is the only solution for going truly fast on a Grom. Doing 55 and it is raining. I hope I can outrun this. It looks like it's right over me. All right, it's only about 5 minutes back. This 5 minutes is make or break for this storm. Huge storm's coming. We looked at the radar and it's coming up out of Oklahoma. I'm having way too much fun just getting this thing home pre-storm. It looks like I beat the storm. I'm pretty excited about that. Hey Siri, open the garage. Unless something crazy happens, guys, that is it for today. Please like, share, subscribe, do whatever it is you want to do. It's hard to do 3 in gloves. My fingers don't want to move like that. And I will talk to you next time. What up, dog?
Do you want Mexican for dinner?
Well, what are we thinking?
Chelsea's making Mexican.
I was thinking about Taco Bell.
It's better Mexican.
Oh. See, that's a matter of opinion. Because I do think Taco Bell may be the best food ever created.
You do not realize that Taco Bell was the only restaurant to survive the franchise wars. So, now all restaurants are Taco Bell.
No way.
What's makes pretty mean tacos?
I mean, yeah.
It's Taco Bell seasoning.
But did you think about Taco Bell?
It's Taco Bell seasoning.
What about Taco Bell meat?
It's the same thing. Real good.